I'm the Big Dog Savage, known as Maverick Savage, just as the Real Savage King. Hello, fans and fan of mine. This is your YouTuber, the Real Savage King, known as Maverick Savage. If you do, go to my channel. I want you to show you this place. It's Rome, Italy. So I'm gonna show you guys right here. Look, that's the place I'm at. So I'm at vacation at Rome, Italy. So I'm gonna show you this place. Look at that. See that building? It's very cool and nice and beautiful. But I love you. I always do. You always be my wolf army. And I love you guys so much. Give me thumbs up, make that I like that blue. And I always make a good content videos like car videos, farm videos, and WWE videos as well. So see this right here? It's nice, beautiful, and awesome view of Rome, Italy right now. So I was showing you this beautiful building right here. So I love you guys. I always do. Keep it up. Keep the hard work on your channel. Level up your own videos as well. I always make 3 content videos like this. So if you do, go to my social media below. It's TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Snapchat as well. Go to the comment section, comment below. I always do. Thank you guys so much. And this is lit. This is the Savage King way. And if you do right now, go subscribe me as the Real Savage King, because you are my wolf army. So I was showing you this building right here. See this? I'm at Rome, Italy. So this is a beautiful view right here. So yeah, I love you. Do it right now. And this is the end of my video right now. See the red? Turn it subscribe to gray. See your phone salaries up, subscribe gray all the way. And if you do right now, go subscribe to me, because I'm the Real Savage King. You guys to watch. By truly Maverick Savage, guys. Comment below and comment Rome, Italy. Peace.